5-minute mindful breathwork practiced by Atha Jiva. The intention of this brief exercise is to allow you to practice focusing your attention on your breath as you allow thoughts, feelings, and sensations to come and go in the background, allowing you to develop increased presence, focus, and awareness. Now, you may or you may not feel any different during this practice, but nonetheless, you will experience the mind and body benefits of mindful breathwork, especially if you continue to practice regularly over a period of time. So let's get started. Choose a position that allows you to be most comfortable, ensuring that your spine is straight. Allow your chin to tilt towards your chest, and let your shoulders relax. As you settle into this comfortable position, allow your eyes to close, or you may choose to keep them open, maintaining a gentle, softened gaze throughout this practice. Begin by taking several long, slow, deep breaths, inhaling fully and exhaling fully. Noticing that you're inhaling and exhaling through both of your nostrils and allowing your breath to find its own natural rhythm. Bringing your full attention to noticing the sensations of your breath. Noticing perhaps how your inhalation is different from your exhalation. As you follow your breath and continue to move more deeply inward, begin to notice and then let go of any noises or sounds that might present themselves in the room, in the space around you. Simply notice any noises or any sounds that come up, and then gently escort your attention back to your breath, noticing and observing your inhalation and your slow, smooth exhales. As you follow your breath and move more deeply inwards, you may notice sensations in your body, discomfort that draw your attention away from your breath. These can be described as itching or twitching. You may also notice feelings arising, perhaps feelings of sadness or happiness, frustration or contentment. Whatever comes up, simply notice without clinging or wishing things were different. Refocusing your mind and guiding your attention back to breath. Deep inhalation and long, smooth exhales. Mindfully be present moment by moment with your breath. As you do so, you may notice your mind wandering to thoughts. Simply notice your mind wandering, watching the thought as it enters your awareness, and without judgment, practice letting go. Practice letting go whatever comes up, be it sound, thought, emotion, or a sensation that hooks your attention, and gently guide your awareness back to your breathing. Practice coming back to your breath. And now, as this practice comes to an end, begin to slowly allow your attention to expand beyond your breath to noticing your entire body, and then beyond your body to the room that you're in. When you're ready, you can open your eyes and come back fully alert and awake, knowing that your breath is always with you, always present, always changing, an anchor to your current experience. Set your attention to practice mindful awareness of breath throughout your day to help cultivate and strengthen your mindful muscle. Thank you.